Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS float property. And right now we'll be discussing about the use case, another use case of this float property. You can check every tutorial concerning this in our CSS clear or CSS float playlist to be able to follow along easily. As you can see right here, if you notice very well, we are having this navbar. If we shrink this to our mobile view, as you can see, everything is looking nice, right? One thing I want you to see one trick here. If you notice very well, we are selecting our float, our li element. After selecting it, we are giving it float left. Let's comment it out and see what will happen. When we comment it out and save our document, or let's remove it entirely, completely. When I remove it, I reload my document. Can you see what happens? Can you see? So definitely, because previously if you have been following me along concerning this float property, I said this float property allows us to control our block element and turn it to an inline element, to make it stack beside each other. To make our block elements stack beside each other, you can use this float left property. So when I save my document now and reload again, you're going to see what will happen. Can you see? All our li elements is now stacking beside each other. Can you see? They stay next to each other. As you can see, this is our URL. Inside it, we are having li open and closing. Then inside our li, we are having the links, as you can see. So we are just selecting this li. So all the li, they are now having what? This float left property. So as you can see, we select the global li element and also give it float left. Then everything floats to the left like this. Everything is aligned like this. But if you don't use, just imagine you don't use this float left property, you remove it from your document, you are going to see this is how our li is going to look. But because we select the li and we give it this float left, now it's looking nice. Can you see how it looks now? That's what I want to show you guys. And what akorede ayofe is my name. Once again, I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.